Hello everyone, welcome back to Prodhar channel. Today we are discussing the best laptops under 1 lakh rupees in India. There are a variety of laptops available in the market. When most of the people purchase a laptop, the foremost thing to look at is the price. It plays a vital role in purchasing a laptop, and if the laptop is for domestic purpose or minor software related purposes like projects for students, calculations for accountants, then purchasing any laptop at the price of 60,000 or less is more suitable. But if you are a professional engineer or application developer who works on the laptop most of their time, then it is necessary to purchase a laptop with the highest available features like high quality processors and screen. There are a variety of features that need to be considered while purchasing a laptop, especially if it is for the price of 1 lakh. Most of the people working in the software industry, or the people who require performing animations and other graphical content, or the people who are involved in developing gaming applications, should definitely buy a laptop with advanced features that cost more than a lakh. Let us now see about the features that you will need to look after when you are purchasing a costly laptop for professional requirements. Brand. The foremost thing that needs to be taken into account while purchasing a laptop is the brand of the product. A brand is not just a sign of money, but it also provides assurance for quality and warranty. Some brands like HP, Acer, Microsoft, Dell, and Apple have gained a huge name in the laptop industry, and purchasing a particular product from them will assure you of high quality and sophistication. But while purchasing a brand, make sure that the price you are paying is reasonable. Because some brands ensure a class offers laptops with a heavy price, even if they are not worth it. So, when purchasing, always remember to purchase the brand for their quality and budget and not for the status they offer. Processor. The next most important thing while purchasing a laptop for 1 lakh is to have a high quality processor. Most of these laptops have an excellent quality Intel Core i5 or Core i7 processor with the advanced 2 generation possible. The processor is the most important thing to be noted while purchasing a laptop. It is responsible for or processing the input and providing proper output. So, if you are purchasing a laptop for heavy work like programming language application and for creating games, then having a Core i5 or Core i7 processor is necessary. They can withstand heavy applications, and with the help of multiple cores, they can process several applications at the same time. The Core i5 processor is well known for its ability to withstand pressure and run heavy programs with no hesitation. This processor is suitable for software engineers who are involved in creating new programming languages and gaming applications. The Core i7 processor is well known for its graphical content and its ability to process multiple applications at the same time. So, using this processor for developing gaming applications and performing animation will be a perfect option. Graphics card. The graphic card is the most important part of the computer as it develops the code into images that can be published on the screen of the laptop. All the process that occurs between the device in the laptop will be in the form of a binary unit, and the graphic card converts it and displays it to us in the form of images on the screen. So, having a good graphic card with good storage is essential. There are two types of graphic cards available that can be used along with the integrated card in the processor. One is the NVIDIA card and the second one is the AMD card. Most of these cards can be used along with the card in the processor. So when you purchase a laptop for 1 lakh, you will be provided with an integrated graphic card with minimum of 2 GB storage capacity. Along with that, you can also insert these cards as required, especially for high profile working environments like animation and graphics. Disk drive. The next most important thing that you need to take into account is the disk drive. The description is mainly used for saving the data permanently on the laptop. For example, if you are installing an application, then the details of the application along with its backend will be stored in the disk drive. Along with that, you can also save other types of details like images and video files. Having an excellent description with high memory capacity will allow you to store a lot of data and allow the computer to access them immediately with no wasting time. There are two types of disk drives available in the market. One is the solid state drive, which is mainly used for high level work. The solid state drive is like a flash drive that allows you to extract the data immediately without searching for it. All the data are stored in the form of individual memories which can be grabbed when required. So they are faster and more accessible. The other disk drive is the hard disk drive that is used for saving the permanent information in form of a magnetic disk. All the information is stored like a music disk and they can be retrieved after checking through the disk. The disk will rotate at the speed of 5000 to 10,000 rpm, but still, they are slower when compared to the solid state drive. So, if you are purchasing a laptop for 1 lakh, then it will be the best choice for you to choose a laptop with solid state drive at least 512 GB to 1 TB. This is because of their speed and quality. This drive can withstand more pressure than normal HDD. Random access memory. The next important thing that needs to be taken into account is the random access memory, or most popularly called as RAM. The RAM stores the temporary memory while the application is running, acts from the background, and when the application needs certain details, it provides them in the form of caches. So, having a good random access memory in a laptop will ensure your fast processing, especially if you're looking forward to running multiple programs at the same time. You can purchase a RAM of 8 to 32 GB. For a laptop with a costly price like 1 lakh, you will be offered at least a GB RAM or an excellent quality 16 GB RAM, which will be more than enough for a person who is running an animation related application. Having good RAM is essential because only they can support the applications when they are running at complete speed. Screen clarity and other features. One of the most important things that need to be taken care of while purchasing a laptop of 1 lakh is having excellent quality. With quality, it is not a single phenomena but a combination of multiple phenomena. The size of the screen should at least be 13 to 16 inches long, and the screen should have high quality HD appearance. They should withstand pressure and not crack. The screen should also have anti-glare technology with the ability to adjust brightness and color according to your requirement. The laptop should be made of high quality plastic and it should not crack under pressure. The keyboard should be ergonomically designed and should have keys in such a way that they can be easily used without stretching your fingers. The battery of the laptop should also be good and it should last for at least 10 to 12 hours. The appearance of the laptop also plays an important role and it should be thin and lightweight. The weight of the laptop should be less than 2 kg and they should come along with other features like a pre-installed Windows and software to assist you in starting your work immediately. Some laptops also come with touchscreen technology that allow you to operate directly using the screen like your mobile phone or tablet instead of using the keyboard. You can also purchase those laptops because they are more efficient and convenient. Having a touchscreen laptop will assist you while working on graphic design. With a suitable light pen and technology, you can create many gaming applications and graphics. The keyboard can be used for typing the codes. This is a better option for programmers. Along with these features, there are other features like the price and service from a particular brand that need to be considered before purchasing the laptop. While purchasing, go for online shopping so you can have multiple choices at the same time. You can also compare the price and other features before choosing the perfect one. Given ahead are some models that are preferred by the people in the country because of their quality. Recommendations: HP Spectre 360 Core i5 10th generation. Description: Core i5 10th generation processor, 512 GB SSD disk for storage, 1.27 kg in weight, touchscreen laptop with a beautiful black design. Acer Swift 5 10th generation. Description: Core i7 10th generation processor, 512 GB SSD disk for storage, pre-installed Windows 10 with combined beautiful blue color, 12 GB RAM. Asus ZenBook 13. Description: 13.3 inches widescreen, 512 GB SSD storage device, 2 GB graphic card, 1.19 kg in weight. Microsoft Surface laptop, 3 Intel Core. Description: Intel Core i5 10th generation processor, touchscreen with 13.5 inches widescreen, 128 GB SSD storage, 1.265 kg in weight. Lenovo Yoga C640. Description: 13.3 inches widescreen, 512 GB SSD storage, pre-installed Windows 10 and Microsoft Office, complete rotation and IPS convertible. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like and share this video and subscribe to Broadheart channel.